Hello students, welcome to today's session on gaining ratio and adjustment. So students, when do we make gaining ratios? As you all know, we have already talked, I've told you in my earlier videos that whenever there is a change in profit sharing ratio, so accordingly we make either sacrificing ratios or gaining ratios. Sacrificing ratios usually we calculate when we are adding one more partner into the firm, right? But gaining ratios are calculated when a partner is leaving, existing partner is leaving the firm. Obviously, why? Because the existing partner who is leaving the firm is now the sacrificer. Because from now onwards, whatever profits are coming into the firm will be shared by the remaining partners. So they are on the gaining front. Thus, we calculate gaining ratio. Okay. Now let's take a question on this and find out. So the question says Ashok, Anil, and Ajay. These are three partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 1 upon 2, 3 upon 10, and 1 upon 5. Anil retires. This person is retired. Okay. Anil retires from the firm and Ashok and Ajay decide to share future profits and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2. We have to calculate gaining ratios. Okay. So let's start with formula. The formula for gaining ratio is new ratio minus old ratio. Old ratio for the three partners are already given to us. That is 1 upon 2 is to 3 upon 10 is to 1 upon 5. Now, what do we find here is that all the three ratios have different denominators. So now what do we need? We need to equal the denominators. So 10 being the highest denominator, what we can do is that we can multiply and divide the first ratio by 5. Uh, Second ratio needs no change and the third ratio needs to be multiplied and divided by 2. Okay. So this is 1 upon 2 multiplied by 5 upon 5 gives me what ratio? 5 upon 10. Then 3 upon 10 remains same, no change, or rather if I want to really do something, I can simply multiply and divide it by 1. The ratio remains 6. Then the third ratio is 1 upon 5. I multiply and divide this by 2 and I get 2 upon 10. Okay. Now, as you can see, all the denominators are same. Thus, my old ratio is what? That is 5 is to 3 is to 2. Okay. Now, I need to calculate the new ratio as well. So, the new ratio, see, is already given to us. Okay. That is 3 is to 2, or we can write, if we want to write it in fraction, this is 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. All what is required now is to find out the gaining ratio for A and B. So for A, gaining ratio will be new ratio, that is 3 upon 5 minus old ratio, which is 5 upon 10. Okay. Now the denominator 10 should be LCM. 5 2s are 10, 2 3s are 6, minus 10 1s are 10, 1 5s are 5. So, okay. This is my gaining ratio in case of A. Talking about B, now let's do the calculation in the same way. For B, new ratio is 2 upon 5. Okay. And old ratio is 2 upon 10. Okay. So here also, this is this. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, minus 10 1s are 1, and 2 1s are 2. So this is 2 upon 10. Now, as I told you before in my earlier videos also, since if we are calculating gaining ratio and the answer is positive, it is a gaining ratio. But had here been a negative answer, this would have been the sacrificing ratio, right? Hence, now we have the gaining ratio in front of us. That is now, sorry, this is Ajay, and sorry, this is Ashok, and this is Ajay. Yeah. So, gaining ratio between Ashok and Ajay is 1:2. Okay. So, that's all for today's session. I hope you all understood the topic. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time. If you have any doubts, please contact me through my admin profile. Thank you.